account. I haven't checked recently. Jay Kumar VK on Microsoft.com. Okay, fine. Now it is asking what is the workspace that you are going to save it. So for example, I'm giving some workspace, so which I have already created. So just observe only. So I will let you know how to log in and all. Perfect. After this, you just click on it. It will take you to that particular. So this is your account. So this is your Power BI service. You just observe we are in the website. So this is finally once you log in, your map is not enabled because we are using the free trial credentials. So that's why. So let it be. So now understand this is your final view. You just click over here. So you can see reflect over here. This is your Power BI service. So the moment you click on it full screen, you can see client will see like this your entire project. So that is remember. So you might think like in the Power BI desktop, so it is very small one. So while you are building your dashboard, it's very small one. How can client can understand it? You might think like that. But at the final view, so the moment you have seen that, so you can see this much very bigger one. So go to the full screen. This is how client can watch. Perfect. So fine. Now understand here that how to log in with this one. So what you do? So first, just type here that powerbi.com. The moment you click on the powerbi.com over here, that it will take you to ask the new email IDs. So usually I already logged in. What it is going to happen? So you will see like this. So after you click on the powerbi.com, you can see like this sign in credentials. Only organization credentials only that you can access it. With your Gmail also you can create for free, free trial one, 30 days or 60 days that you can experience. But I'm going to provide here that some credentials, that is Power BI @ So this is also free, free trial credentials. Microsoft.com. So this is the mail ID I'm going to provide here. So you just log in with the same mail ID. So usually in the real time we used to call creds. It doesn't mean nothing else. So creds means credential. So this is username. I'm going to enter the password over here. Click on the next. So here the password you require to provide. So capital V I J A Y @12345. So this is mail ID. So sorry, password. And now what you do, just to click on sign in. So you will reach out to your Power BI service. It's already signed in, so that's why I click on. So this is how you can see the user interface of your Power BI service. So here it is the home menu. So you can experience some of the things over here, whatever the dashboards you have set so far in the real time. And there is the Copilot for you to understand. So whatever you want to experience with the AI, so you can experience with this Copilot. So here for our free trial, it is not available. Let it be. So here the create option. So here also what you can do, you can connect the data. So just like Excel data you have connected. But for our free trial, there is some limitation. We can't able to connect from here. So for once you get the organizational, so that is the very easy. The same thing, whatever you are going to connect here, that the same manner it is going to give you. So not only from the Power BI desktop to connect your files. So here Power BI service also you can connect the file the same way. Fine, we will experience it. So we can manually enter the data. I will show you how to do it, and we can experience some AI scenarios over here. And the browse, the moment you go to the browse, so you can experience whatever there is the favorite, the shared with me, with your team. That means the recent files that are there. So just now 4 minutes ago we have shared this one, Tata Motors. And go down, so there is the 1 lakh catalog. So here also some of the information that is there, which we are not going to use it, don't worry. This is the main important workspace. So workspace is the main important, so we will do that one. So just observe the tour only first. This is my workspace, which means that whatever you have created your own workspace, so that is completely private, you only can access it, my workspace. So workspaces, which means that everybody can access it who do have this credentials access. This my workspace only, I only can able to access it, which means that you only can able to access it. So no every other person can able to access it. Simple thing. And there is the 3 dots, you click on it, you can see some of the information over here. So let's understand one by one about it. So there will be here also, you can see the some of the stuff over here. So this is Power BI, which means that Power BI service directly you can go. So this is also one of the application. Fine. So now how you can do it, first observe here. So you know already how to log in. Once you log in, first step you need to remember, from here there is the workspace, click on it. Then what you do, there is the new workspace over here. The moment you click on this new workspace, it will open like this. So here you need to provide that some inputs. So here name this space, which means that your workspace name. So I'm going to give my name. So you can give your name. So my name, so new workspace, I'm giving like this. So you can give in the real time, they will give you. But these are all taken care by only admin. You are not going to do anything here. So remember. So for this, I'm going to give here the description also. You can give anything. I'm giving the same. So here the domain options. So in the real time, so they will give you the any domain options. Otherwise, let it be. Okay, fine. Sorry for that. So now observe here that you can give that image also. Just click on it. Just like you are using your mobile, nothing bigger. So I'm going to give this icon. So click on open. So this file size is very big one. Let me give this one Rolls Royce. This is also bigger size, I think so. Let me give anything for Lakshmi. No, bigger size. To do any other images. Let me give this one. Same or Lakshmi. Still bigger size. Wait. So what image should I give? Let me check with the Tata only. Okay, fine. This is how you can give image in the real time. So admin only can maintain it. So click on the advanced option, expand it. So there are the two options which are there, which I already discussed with you. One is the pro license, another one is the premium license. So in the premium license, I told you two things. One is the premium individual capacity and grouped capacity. This is the individual capacity, this is the grouped capacity, which we are not able to access it because we are using the free trial. Perfect. Now what I'm doing, I'm going to click on the pro. Simple thing, first option. So I'm not going to create it. So I want to create one pro workspace and one premium workspace, remember. So I selected pro only, just click on apply. Simple thing. This is your pro workspace, observe. So in the pro workspace, you can see here the icon, the everything that is there. Here the whatever the you given the description that is there. So here there is no icon, that is fine. So now I'm going to create that one more workspace. Click on this workspace and click on the new workspace. Same procedure. So I'm going here that. So now what I'm going here, instead of the Tata, I'm going to give here the Tesla. So otherwise, let me give Lulu Mall. Fine. So this is another project. So I'm going to take this one. On the description also I'm providing the same. So this is domain is the option. So I'm going to give here that something. So Lulu Mall is also there, I think so. It might not fit. Okay, perfect. So now go to the advanced option. So now I'm going to create that premium license type. So this is free trial, let it be. This is not important. Only these two are important, these three. So this is, not able to access it. So these two, but these two are the, same features, don't worry. So now click on apply. So now observe here that, so we have created two workspace. So you go and check it here in the list. You can find out the list over here. So I have created the two. One is the Tata, another one is the Lulu Malls. So you just observe here that whenever I created the Lulu Mall, so this is, I have created the premium license, observe here. So whenever you created it, you can see here the dollar symbol. So by looking at this, you can understand that this license type is the premium license. So whenever you go for the pro license, so we'll having the very less access, which we have discussed in the recent, very first or second day, third day. So you are not able to find here that any dollar symbol. So whenever you don't find such dollar symbol, that means that this is the pro license. So whenever you find that Lulu Mall, let me open here the Lulu Mall which we have created just now also. Here the dollar symbol that is there, which means that this is the premium license. Fine. Now what I want to do, so after you complete your project, any project over here, this project we have complete. So here also sign in the same credentials which you can use. So whatever the credentials are here. So I forgot to give in that password now. Capital V @ 1 2 3 4 5. So these two remember. So log in with these credentials. So now what I do, go to the home menu, go to the publish, click on here, and again it will ask you to save. Click on it. So now your workspace will come here. Observe. So your two workspace. One is the workspace, new workspace for the practice. This is pro license. This is the premium license, Lulu Mall we have created. So I'm going to enter into the Tata. So click on it. Click on select. Yeah, am I audible? Hello. Are you there?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Net slowగా వస్తుంది కట్ అయిందేమో అనుకున్నా. Okay, fine. Observe. I enter into the Tata two-wheeler. So whatever the dashboard I have finished, so I can see here. So there is the one option here. Click on here. There is the full screen. Click on it. So this is how client finally can see. So here you can apply. So filters, it will go reflect. This map only we are not able to see it because of the free trial. It is not allowing us to do it. So let it be that visualization. Other things you just focus. Fine. Just click on the escape. So you will get back to your own visualization. So where we have, the send it to Tata workspace. So go here, check it in your Tata. Click on here. So you can see, observe. So whenever you publish, we have published only the dashboard from here. So that is the interview question. So whenever you are going to publish the some dashboard, so whatever the project or dashboard report, whatever it might be. So once you publish, what we can see in the Power BI service. So Power BI service, you are not only going to get that only the dashboard, which is the icon of the report like this. Observe. So you will get along with the data as well. This is the data. So whatever you have used for that visualization, you will get the data also along with your report. So that is only thing you just keep in mind, and they explain in the same thing in the real time your interviews. So the moment I open my report here, observe here, so I can see my report. The same thing, I'm going back to my data workspace. So the moment I click on this data, so observe here, you can see your data over here as well. So whatever the orders, so whatever the columns that are there. So are we getting all the columns over here? No. So whatever you have used that columns only, you can get it over here. So without data, you can't able to see the visualization, right? So that is the reason. So whatever you have used, that columns only you can get it over here. Simple thing. So that is keep in mind. So where we are now, pro license. So let me rename it, otherwise you will get confused. So this is pro license type only, nothing with it. So I'm giving pro like this only, simple. Where is that save button? Okay, automatically saved. Fine. So you get it here, the pro. Fine. Perfect. Now what I'm doing, I'm going to save my same thing with the premium license. Observe, same project only. Go to your Power BI desktop, the same project, go to the home menu, there is the publish. So now go and select your workspace. So Lulu Mall, go click on select. So nothing is there, you no need to provide anything, just publish, just like your images on your social media, Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, like that you are uploading, the same way only you are going to upload here. So here observe, so it will ask you like this whenever you are going to directly click on that link. So this is how you can see. The same thing here also. So go here, go see your full screen. Perfect. So to get back, you go click on here, otherwise click on escape. So two things, that is fine.